Hi y'all. Truck driver Linda. Truck driver Paul's up front. Hello! Oh, this week. Where have we been? We were in Almsville, Oregon. It's south of Portland. We hit Denver. We're now on our way to New Jersey. And then from New Jersey, we're going to Southern California. So it's just been really hectic this week. Anybody that's out here, 'tis the season, right? We are the modern day, oh my gosh, I can't even say it because my grandkids watch this. Because some of them still believe. Just saying. What are we going to make today? I would love to start a segment on subscriber recipes where truly we come together as a community and share our food. Because what brings people together? Food. Today's recipe comes from Pocono49. And it's just like super quick and super easy lasagna. It's insane how easy it is. I will say this, I've made just small changes, but only because I could not find exactly what he had in the recipe. So Pocono49, I hope that you're not upset. He's making lasagna, and he has whole wheat lasagna. I couldn't find whole wheat that was no boil. So I just got regular no boil. It's oven ready lasagna noodles. And then he suggests turkey or ground round for your meat. Today I'm actually, because I've been wanting to try it, just to try it, I'm using organic beef. Let's get some gloves on. So I've already cooked my meat. So I cooked the meat in the lunchbox. It took about 20 minutes. I put it in the pan, covered it with aluminum foil. 20 minutes. And I'm gonna use, I'm using a whole pound of beef. I've got Ragu spaghetti sauce. Okay, pasta sauce, I guess. So this is sun-dried tomato and sweet basil, extra flavorful and chunky, right? And I'm actually gonna, there it goes, dump the whole jar in there. All right, dump that in there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a little piece and I'm gonna put it right on the bottom. That's gonna keep your noodles off the direct bottom. And then you're gonna do a layer of noodle. Let's see if I can get y'all seeing better here. And then do some meat sauce, cottage cheese. And I'm using, this is fat-free, part skim mozzarella cheese, and then some Parmesan cheese, and then another noodle, and some more sauce. And more cottage cheese, mozzarella, and Parmesan. And then cover it with foil. And we're gonna bake it 4 hours is what he says. But although I'll quote, he says, your mileage may vary. Y'all ready to check this? Alright, let y'all get Paul back here and I'll get it served up and let you know how it tastes. Spinach salad. Okay. Alright. That's not too bad. Oh my gosh. That's actually really, really good. What I really, really loved, too, is how quick it was. Pocono49, thank you for sharing.
Thank you, Pocono49, for this wonderful recipe.
It actually, you know, I would make this again. He's gonna keep on eating.
Yeah, I am.
All right, if y'all got a recipe you want us to do, you don't have to put it in the comments. You can email it to us. Our email is in the descriptions. But if you have a recipe that you love and you make it and you want to share it, we would love to do a video on it. We really, truly would. All right, that's all we got. We're gonna stare at y'all until you hit the subscribe button. Y'all just go on down there, hit that subscribe button.
Go on.
Come on.
You know what you gotta do?
Hit the subscribe.
Hit that damn thing!
Give us a thumbs up. We're done.
Have a great day.
Happy eating. Let Pocono49 know how much you love this recipe.